Could this be the future of smartphones? Have you ever wondered how future smartphones could change our lives? Let's explore a new era where technology and creativity come together to create something special. In this video, discover if these new features could be a game changer for you. Today, we have some groundbreaking news from Huawei. They just unveiled a teaser for their latest innovation, the HUAWEI Mate XT Ultimate, the world's first tri-fold phone. Yes, you heard that right, a phone with 3 folds. This device is set to revolutionize the smartphone industry. Let's dive into what makes this phone so special. Stunning design. Huawei has released the first official look at the Mate XT Ultimate, and it's breathtaking. The teaser video showcases its sleek, high-end design, reminiscent of the Mate 60. The rear features an octagonal camera bump with 3 lenses, including a periscope sensor for incredible zoom shots. There's also XMAGE branding and an LED flash, all set against a luxurious vegan leather back that offers a comfortable grip. Innovative tri-fold display. The magic truly begins when you unfold the phone. The Mate XT Ultimate boasts a tri-fold design, measuring an impressively thin 3.6 millimeters when unfolded. It transforms from a 6.4-inch bar-style phone to a massive 10.2-inch display. The flexible LTPO screen offers a 120 Hz refresh rate and supports 10 billion colors, promising an unmatched viewing experience. Advanced camera system. The device features a primary 50MP camera with PDAF and OIS, a 12MP telephoto lens with 5.5x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera. There's also an 8MP front camera for selfies when folded. Durable hinge system. Huawei's hinge system, inspired by the Tianong space station, ensures zero-gap folding with durable dual tracks and moving parts. The expansive screen enhances productivity, especially for tools like email and multitasking, all running on HUAWEI 4.2. Available in black or red with gold accents, this luxury device is unlikely to release outside China. So, what do you think of the HUAWEI Mate XT Ultimate? It's a bold move by Huawei and could set a new trend for smartphones. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to NexTechie for more tech updates, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with the latest news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.